let's watch this one.
Pika, boku wa itsumo soba ni iru yo. Tomodachi toshite.
うるせえよ、黙れよ。ありがとう。ありがとう。How's the volume? Is it okay? It's okay. Okay, okay. ありがとう、ありがとう。There you go. Is this old dollar? Is this old dollar? Wait, is this old dollar? Like this one is a dollar as well? Really? This one, and this one, and this one. It's old dollar? And this one too? And this one too? And this one too? The whole thing is just a dollar? Wow. 26 snacks? That's a lot.
Hi Pika, I'm new to your streams.
Thank you! ありがとう! 5 months, thank you! That looks really good. Aww. Squid or crunchy? Cool. Is it squid? These are... fishy smell up there. Oh, it's crispy! Oh, the crunch sound is so good. Oishisou! Wait, can I grab some, like, breakfast? Hold on, I'll be right back. You guys enjoy the video, hold on. I'm back. I just got my bread.
The place, but the fishy on me. Got a lot to be, but the fishy on me. Gotta do, I'll slap your knee. Fishy on me, fishy on me. I don't want the place, but the fishy on me. Got a lot to be, but I'll slap your knee. Fishy to be, but I don't know ye. Fishy on me, it's a fishy to be.
Thank you! Arigato! Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba, fishy on me, fishy on me, fishy... Sadly, there's no fish on my breakfast with lunch. Arigato! What is that? Is that a jelly?
Woo, 5 months already?
5 months, thank you! What is that? Is that a jelly? Sugar drink? Oh! Wait a minute! Bubble butt? Bubble butt? Oh, the color's pretty though. Welcome! Thank you for 5 months! 今ね、朝ごはん食べてる。ご飯、パン食べてる、パン。Welcome! Thank you for subscribing! Is that popcorn? Oh, it's a popcorn. $1. And $half. Oh my goodness. Not even $1, it's a $half. Whoa. That looks very sweet. That looks very sweet. That looks very sweet. Net. What nanda? Is it like pound cake or something? Oh, it's a cream filling. Oh, oishishou. That looks good. Oh, yeah. Like 20? 20? Yeah, it looks like that. Wait, what language is that? 何語なんだ今の。That's a lot of mess. What is that? None that is. Hey, soup da. It's like a soup. Okayu? Okayu? なのかな? Is there any rice in it? Mopeba. Wait, you put the jelly in it? そうなんだ. Never heard about putting the gel inside of the... What? This sounds disgusting. Yeah, for the kids, that's it. Ah, in Japan, they have those kind of stuff too. Oh, yeah, they have those kind of stuff too. The similar one. Yeah, these ones. Nah. I remember eating those kind of stuff when I was a kid. Plum drink? Oh, that looks cool. I wanna try. Asama boy. Asama boy. Pikamee. Aru. Yeah, they have those kind of stuff in here as well. It looks like an M&M. Nah. Wait, I see Japanese. Yaki kamaboko, noriaji, seaweed taste. Is this fish cake? Seaweed taste. Oh, it's crispy. Macaron, strawberry flavor. Macaron だって I love macaron. I love macaron. It's so good. マカロン高いんだよな、でも。I'm not sure in your country, but if you try to get the like a macaron, these kind of snacks in Japan, it's quite expensive. So I can't eat a lot, but it is really delicious. Macaron. This one looks really dry, but the one that you can get in Japan is more like there's a moist cream inside, and in the biscuit part, it's more like not biscuit really. It's crunchy, but it's a little bit more moist, should I say? Oh, that looks good. I want to try that. Wait, what is that? I thought it's a Jello. No, it's not. What is that? Is it yogurt? Is that yogurt? Oh, it's a yogurt. Ah, speaking of yogurt, I missed the yogurt land. Wasn't it yogurt land that you can get the yogurt soft cream? I missed that. I want to go there. これは Welcome! Thank you for Prime! Thank you! Oh, there's no leaking! なるほど Baby juice. Baby juice is what sounds like you squeeze the baby and then you took the liquid out of the baby and that's the baby juice. Ew! Nah. What is that? Pups. What the heck is that? Flip the bag. Educational snack. So there's a veggie in it, I guess? Oh, it's a rice cracker. なるほど. Oh, it's rice. Very light flavor. Crispy potato sticks. It looks like a French fry. Huh. This sad moment, you feel that? You feel that? When you open it, and when you see the bag inside, there's nothing you expect it's a feeling until right here. But actually, only the snacks at the very bottom. You feel that? You feel this feeling. It's just like so. The 70% is the air, then actual 30% is the actual snack. これよこ 俺バッグ開けてここぐらいまで入ってるかと思ったらさ、もうそこの方にちょろーってこうやってお菓子がある、あの悲しさ。Like always the bag looks so big and you expect there's so many snacks inside, and when you open it you just see that very like very barely snacks at the bottom though. Like why would you sell the air 80% of the air like that? そう、空気売るなよな、ほんと。空気売ってるようなもんだよ。They're just like selling air, which is you can get from everywhere because it's air. Anyway, but yeah, そう、これがマジで空気売ってるようなもんだよ、ほんとに。It's just so sad to look at it. Fish, Muruk. Muruk? Since 1975. Wow. Simply great in taste. You'll love it. Baby chips. Baby chips. Oh, it's really popular なんだって。Looks crunchy though. It kind of reminds me goldfish. Goldfish. Tongu kato ari. Honey. Oh, it's like a soda? Nah, it looks like a soda. Probably not. Not soda. Not a very pleasant smell. Oh, it's pretty nice なんだ。Red Bull? へえ、そうなんだ。Like a juice. It doesn't look like it's a soda. Maybe it is. I don't know. I can't tell. Corn puff. Durian corn puff? Popcorn. That's not a popcorn! That's not a popcorn! おいおい、ポップコーンじゃねえじゃねえかよ! It says popcorn. That's not a popcorn. ねえ。さあ、コーンパフだね、コーンパフ。I've never ever had a real durian before. Nah, I heard they have a strong smell, right? Kakasu. Oh, 美味しそう. Oh, I might like this. Ah, これ好きかも. He has everything. He has everything. He has every tool for cooking. Very nice. You saw these kind of stuff at the Japanese convenience store as well. Like during winter, they sell all the these kind of stuff, which is really good though. I like it. They have a pizza taste, curry taste, regular taste. Yeah, a lot. Oh, let's see the tank with convenience store meat.